Welcome back to another video of English as a Second Language. Today we are going to continue our healthcare unit. First of all, we're going to log in Burlington English. You're going to go to burlingtonenglish.com and make sure that you enter your username. Your username is usually your last name first. Mine is Lopez. Then it's going to be a dot and your first name. Now that should be your username, okay? Your password is usually your last name and the first month of your birthday and the date that you were born. That should be your username, your password. Now, for all intents and purposes, mine is a little different, so please do not do this one. This is just mine. So today, once you get to this unit, the page of Burlington English where they have the general English courses, what you're going to do, you're going to select English in America. The first one right here, this one right here, the ones that says beginners. You're going to select that, and we are going to do click on number 7. Okay, number 7 will be healthcare. That is the module that we're going to be working on, healthcare. Click on that. Once that is there, this very nice lady, a doctor, is gonna pop out, and you're gonna click on select the first one, which is making an appointment with the doctor. As you can see, this vocabulary, we already did it. We'll review it. That's the vocabulary we're going to be using today to do some activities and to start using this vocabulary in context. Okay, so we already did this, the words of vocabulary. Now today we're going to do a little listening and a little bit of role playing. Okay, so we'll begin with the listening activities. Okay, so we are going to hear right here. You have after we listen, we have to select either A, select B, or C based on what we hear. Okay, here we go. Let's listen to it.
When is Steve's appointment?
Dr. Becker's office. Laura speaking.
Hello, my name is Steve Smith. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Becker.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
Why do you want to see Dr. Becker?
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain.
The doctor can see you on Tuesday, March 2nd, or on Thursday, March 4th at 10 o'clock.
Tuesday at 10 o'clock is better for me.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-0104.
Okay, I'll make an appointment for you for Tuesday, March 2nd at 10 o'clock.
Great. When is Steve's appointment?
So when is Steve's appointment? Steve is making an appointment to the doctor to see Dr. Becker. When? Is it Thursday? Is it Tuesday? Is it Thursday, March 2nd? Or is it Tuesday, March 2nd? Or is it Thursday, March 4th? Let's listen to it one more time.
When is Steve's appointment?
Dr. Becker's office. Laura speaking.
Hello, my name is Steve Smith. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Becker.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
Why do you want to see Dr. Becker?
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain.
The doctor can see you on Tuesday, March 2nd, or on Thursday, March 4th at 10 o'clock.
Tuesday at 10 o'clock is better for me.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-0104.
Okay, I'll make an appointment for you for Tuesday, March 2nd at 10 o'clock.
Great. When is Steve's appointment?
So as you can hear, he made an appointment with Mr. Baker on Thursday, March 2nd, or Tuesday, March 2nd, or Thursday, March 4th. I believe it was Tuesday, March 2nd. What time? 10 o'clock. The right answer is Tuesday, March 2nd. Okay? Now, let's listen to the second conversation. This is about, this is West Bay Clinic. This is the clinic with Dr. Brown office. So let's hear the conversation.
When will the doctor see Angela? Good morning. West Bay Clinic. Pedro speaking. Can I help you?
My name is Angela West. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Brown on the 26th.
I'm sorry. There are no openings on the 26th. How about Thursday the 28th?
That's fine. I'm free on Thursday. What time?
We have an opening at 9 and another at 10:30.
Please make an appointment for me at 9.
Okay, Ms. West. I made the appointment for Thursday the 28th at 9.
Great. Thursday the 28th at 9. I'm writing it down. Thank you.
When will the doctor see Angela?
So the question was when will the doctor see Angela? The correct answer is A. Angela West will be seen by the doctor on Thursday the 28th at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Now let's check our answers. And they are correct. Very good. So let's continue with today's activities. Let's look at the worksheet here. Now, after we heard that, let's read the conversation. I'm sure the conversation will give you a little more understanding about what is it that we have to do, okay? We'll zoom in a little bit. All right. So please read with me. Laura says, Dr. Becker's office. Laura speaking. Steve says, hello. My name is Steve Smith. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Becker. Laura responds, is this your first visit? Yes, it is. Why do you want to see Dr. Becker? My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. The doctor can see you on Tuesday, March 2nd, or on Thursday, March 4th at 10 o'clock. Tuesday at 10 o'clock is better for me. What's your phone number? It's 555-0104. Okay, I'll make an appointment for you for Tuesday, March 2nd at 10 o'clock. Great. Now, who is Laura? Laura is Dr. Becker's receptionist? Steve back started to her yesterday? Dr. Becker has only one opening for Steve. Is this correct? Is this true or is this false? Let's see. Laura is Dr. Becker's receptionist. Is she the receptionist? Yes. Laura is the receptionist. She said, Dr. Becker's office, Laura speaking. So this is true. Number one is true. Let's look at number two. Steve's back started at her yesterday. Let's see. What is wrong with Steve? Why do you want to see Dr. Becker, says Laura. And Steve says, my back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. The doctor can see you on Tuesday, March 2nd, or Thursday, March 4th o'clock. Tuesday at 10 o'clock is better for me. What's your phone number? It's 555-0104. Okay, I'm making an appointment for you Tuesday, March 2nd at 10 o'clock. Great. So let's see if it's true. Steve's back started to hurt yesterday. My back hurts. I believe that it started today. It does not specify that it started yesterday. So this is false. Number 3, Dr. Becker's has only one opening. That's what it says. Let's see if it's correct. Dr. Becker's has only one opening for Steve. The doctor can see you on Tuesday, March 2nd or on Thursday, March 4th at 10 o'clock. So this is false as well. Number 3 is false. There are 2 openings, not just one, but 2. One on Tuesday and the other one on Thursday. Let's hear the other conversation. Now we have to select if it's A, B from these 3 questions. The questions are, where does Pedro work? In the clinic or in a hospital? The second question is, why can Angela West see Dr. Brown on the 26th? The options are A, there are no openings. B, Angela isn't free. Number 3, what does Angela West write down? A, the addresses of the clinic. B, the date of her appointment. These are the 3 questions that we gotta answer. Let's read it. Good morning, West Bay Clinic. Pedro speaking. Can I help you? My name is Angela West. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Brown's on the 26th. I'm sorry, there are no openings on the 26th. How about Thursday the 28th? That's fine. I am free on Thursday. What time? We have an opening at 9 and another at 10:30. Please make an appointment for me at 9. Okay, Mrs. West. I made an appointment for Thursday at 28 at 9 o'clock. Great. Thursday, the 28th at 9. I am writing it down. Thank you. So based on this conversation, let's circle the correct answer. Where does Pedro work? In a clinic or in a hospital? He works in a clinic. Good morning, says Pedro. West Bay Clinic. Pedro is speaking. Can I help you? So the answer is in a clinic. Question number 2. Why can Angela West see Dr. Brown on the 26th? There are no openings. Angela isn't free. On the 26th, my name is Angela West. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Brown on the 26th. She says. He says, I'm sorry, there are no openings on the 26th. How about Thursday the 28th? Well, there are no openings on the 26th. The answer is A. And the last question is, what does Angela West write down? The address of a clinic, the date of her appointment. Great, says Angela. The 28th at 9 a.m. I am writing it down. Thank you. So this is the conversation. Please review this, read it, and practice this vocabulary. As you hear it, take your time and repeat it. Thank you. I will see you in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside.